Hi, I'm NikiHiggins with Luxury by the Beach at Douglas Elliman, and today I'm giving you a walkthrough of the Model C residence at 100 Las Olas. This is a brand new building. It's really fabulous, and this floor plan is the largest one in the building of the standard floor plans. It is just under 3,000 square feet. And you've got this beautiful curve here in the room and the wall of windows, beautiful big kitchen, absolutely stunning. You can see the city view here is really expansive. This terrace just goes on and on and on. Really fabulous. And we're looking down on the new river. I am on the 28th floor now. We are downtown in the heart of Fort Lauderdale. Coming back inside. This is really a big room and it's fabulous. Now I'm going to walk into the master bedroom suite. It's also a really nice size. The decorators did a great job here. There are two closets. Both a good size. And a super big bathroom with double sinks, separate water closet, big bathtub, shower with a seat, really a nice size shower, and the water closet is separated with a frosted glass door here. Now we're coming back out into the great room. This, of course, is a split bedroom floor plan, which is another wonderful feature. Got a nice big fridge. Jenn-Air cooktop, fan, oven and the microwave, wine cooler, dishwasher. Really stunning. And now I'm going over to the other two bedrooms. This is the larger of the two guest bedrooms. This is almost like a second master suite. It's really a nice size with its own private bathroom. large walk-in closet with a piece of art from the decorators, and its own private terrace, which again looks out onto the New River. Now I'm going to walk into the third bedroom, which would be another guest suite. It's also a good size, not quite as generous as the last one. Again with a view of the New River. Has its own closet. And a pretty bathroom with a window. And a big shower. As I'm walking back into the hallway, I'm coming to the den, which is a lovely sized den. Great place to watch TV and have a home office. Very spacious. And this is the laundry room, which has its own sink, nice big washer and dryer, lots of storage cabinets, and another storage closet. And finally, this is the guest bathroom, powder room. And that completes the walkthrough of the Model C residence at 100 Las Olas. If you'd like to see this or any of the other apartments here at 100 Las Olas, please call me or text me at 954-817-2500, and I would be very, very delighted to meet you and show you this gorgeous building. Hope to see you soon.